Platinum this week has felt in value. We can see how the price has started the week with the bearish candle reaching the first support level 966.39, then making a bearish breakout, continue to the second support level and bouncing from here. We can see that the price returned back on a Thursday, forming this bullish breakout above and reaching again 985.84. So it's very close. We can see that the weekly almost closed as indecision candle. It has closed as a bearish candle with a small body with a large wick on the lower side, and the small wick on the upper side is a bullish pin bar. We can see that where the price has stopped just in between the very potent support level and on the upper side very potent resistance. Monthly is currently still open. Only 2 weeks has passed. We have 2 more weeks to go, so we will see how the price behaves on the lower time frames. What could this mean? The previous month has closed as a bullish engulfing candle. We can see that suggesting further rise in value, so there is a potential that the price is moving higher. So the monthly shows me that the price should go higher. Weekly currently shows me a retrace from the 966.39 support level, which is a very potent support level, but there is no clear information that this is a bullish pin bar because it's formed just above support level here. If it was formed here at the support level, this will be a great signal for the price, potential move higher. But if I take a look in the past how the price behaves on the platinum, where the price formed this some kind of a bullish breakout, we can see this small bullish pin bar formed here, suggesting for the rise in value. If I go in the future how this looks, we can see that the price formed some similar bullish pin bar with large wick on the upside, not very clear. The price returned back down. We can see this week this is a bullish pin bar, not at the support level correctly, but suggesting further rise in value. So if I go in the past, for example, write this one, a bearish pin bar suggesting further decline in value. If I go further back, we can see this one, bearish pin bar, the price gone down. So most of the time when the price forms similar candle formation like this one, it is suggesting further rise in value in this case. So the daily time frame shows me that first of all the price needs to make a bullish breakout above 985.84. So I have a weekly showing me a bullish momentum, I have monthly showing me a bullish momentum, and currently the price is formed this strong bullish candle reaching the next resistance level, which is also potentially, if the price makes a bullish breakout, it will continue to rise in value. So in this case, I'm waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout above this one or returning back down below this one, making a bearish breakout, which will give indication where the price could go in the future. But I'm much more inclined to see the price going higher because of the three time frames showing me a bullish momentum, but it's very important to see how the price behaves around the first resistance level where the price currently is. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.